Keratin Hair Serum Moisturizer for instantly fuller, thicker hair with Moroccan argan and coconut. Hair is left luscious, silky, sleek and smooth after expert boosting therapy. Many products are available for hair treatments for damaged hair, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. Check my description if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. Hairfinity Botanical Hair Oil. For the greatest anti-inflammatory and healing effects, avoid additives. Essential oils and substances that are entirely natural. Free of scent, mineral oil, petroleum, silicones, parabens, and phthalates. Essential oils are blended into collagen, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, moringa oil, apricot oil, and vitamin E. With this potent combination of nutrient-dense vitamins and essential oils, pamper your hair and scalp. Improve elasticity and gloss for quicker hair development. For all hair types, including curly, colored, permed, or keratinized hair. For all genders. Ideal for delivering botanicals to regions where hair loss, thinning, or alopecia areata are present. Number 2, Vitamins Keratin Protein Hair Serum. Keratin Hair Serum Moisturizer for instantly fuller, thicker hair with Moroccan argan and coconut. Hair is left luscious, silky, sleek and smooth after expert boosting therapy. For color-treated and damaged hair, use Ultra Recovery Collagen Repairs and Hydrating Treatment. Cure split ends and rebuild your mane from scalp to roots. Hair is strengthened with a nourishing moisture infusion with castor oil and biotin. For strong, beautiful hair, use an anti-breakage nutrient protective product that prevents the sun and flat iron damage. Curl Anti-Frizz Detangler, a product that reduces frizz and flyaways. Anti-humidity softener for men and women's extremely thick, straight, fine, and wavy hair. Lightweight water-based hair serum that volumizes boosts bounce. Apply a non-oily, light leave-in product every day. Zero alcohol. Cruelty and paraben-free. Number 3, Tea Tree Shampoo for men and women. Tea tree oil has always been a true hair friend. Keeping that in mind, Maple Politics has come up with this tea tree special formula shampoo. It is a great blend of oils like lavender, rosemary, and tea tree oil that makes the scalp healthy and hair shiny and smooth. The shampoo works as one of the best hair treatments for dry and damaged hair with its mild formulation and stimulating properties. This tea tree shampoo removes scalp build-up dirt, makes hair less greasy, and works as an anti-breakage hair treatment. It also tackles dandruff and lets you enjoy a healthy non-flaky scalp. Herbal formula makes hair dry, which is good for itchy scalps, for both men and women. Number 4, Elansa Healing ColorCare Trauma Treatment. As the name suggests, this is undoubtedly the most suitable and healing hair care treatment for damaged hair. The product works as a color-damaged hair treatment and repairs hair, especially the ones that are damaged due to frequent coloring. It even works towards protecting your color and keeping the good health of overprocessed hair. Enriched with corn flour, yellow rose, calendula, and echinacea, this leave-in hair treatment prevents color from fading and improves hair texture. Plus, it is very easy to apply this lightweight formula. Nice fragrance, is a multifaceted product, good for color-treated hair, and works for all hair textures. Number 5, Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. A hair treatment that repairs and hydrates dry, damaged hair is Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Hair Mask. This deep conditioner moisturizes hair while smoothing, conditioning, and strengthening follicles. While transitioning between chemically treated hair, damaged hair, and natural hair, the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Hair Mask is ideal. This deep conditioner hair mask provides hair with a potent dose of nutrients and hydration since it is made with raw shea butter, sea kelp, and argan oil. All Shea Moisture hair care products, including this nourishing hair mask, are made without the use of animal testing and with natural ingredients. This Shea Moisture Hair Mask is made without petroleum, silicones, sulfates, parabens, or paraben derivatives. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.